Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you not only luxurious, looking very attractive and tasty, but also very healthy biotin milkshake recipe, which we are going to make with very healthy and delicious dry fruits, which is also going to give you clear skin, good hair health, bone health and many more health benefits. So let's get started. For this, take a grinding jar and add in 1/4 cup of dried dates into it. Now add in 3 tablespoons of almonds and 3 tablespoons of raisins into it. Also add in half cup of makhana or foxnut into the grinding jar. Now I'm going to add in oats into it. So here I'm having the chocolate oats, which can even give the better chocolatey flavor to our smoothie or the juice or the drink. So I'm going to add in 4 teaspoons of oats. If you don't have that, you can even add in the regular oats. Now add in few dried rose petals and half teaspoon of cardamom powder and grind it. Do not add in any water at this stage. So after grinding it, now add in 3 teaspoons of mishri or the sugar candy and grind it again. So here the premix for our healthy milkshake is ready. You can store at this stage in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. Now add in 2 cups of milk and grind it until smooth. So here our delicious, packed with protein and filled with goodness, our shake is ready. Now in order to make it look even more beautiful, I'm going to line the walls of the glasses with a healthy syrup, which is honey. And now I'm going to add in few ice cubes. And finally pour in very delicious and tasty healthy dry fruit milkshake. This is not only going to be very delicious but also is very healthy. Now top it accordingly. So here I'm going to top it with some crunchy dry fruits, also with some oats on the top, and finally with some dried rose petals and of course honey. So this was the recipe, which is not only delicious, not only looks wonderful and beautiful, but also is very tasty. So do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. And for more such amazing recipes, do subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends and family.